welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So we decided that we're going to share our day with you again because you guys really enjoy these vlogs and we absolutely love bringing you along with us. So yeah, to start our day out we made acai bowls. I just need to check that I've not still got it around my mouth because usually I do. So yeah, that was delicious. And then I've just been pottering away, making some new necklaces. So yeah, it's been really good fun and I absolutely love this copper coloured wire. I think it's beautiful. And old Domsy over there, what have you been up to? So it's just been figuring out how to make bracelets that are interchangeable like necklace pouches. So that's very exciting. We are branching out. So yeah, we're just about to start getting ready and actually get out of the house because it's now lunchtime. So the day is running away without us. So let's get to it.
So we're just about to head down into town now. We've got a couple of things that we need to get done today. So first off, we're going to go to the post office because we've got an order to post, and we also need to send the drone away to the service centre because just before we left England I went out for the day with a friend. And we were flying around in a place that we thought we were allowed to fly, but it was actually like a National Trust area, and they say that you're not allowed to fly drones there. So anyway, this woman came over and told us to land them basically, which was all fine. But yeah, I tried to really quickly and cheekily get the shot just before I did that and flew into a tree. So yeah, so we need to send that away to get it fixed. We've not been in a massive rush to get it sorted because a lot of Queenstown is like a no-fly zone anyway because the airport. But yeah, so we're going to get that sorted, get that sent away. We also need to go to the shop and get a few little extra bits that we need for the week. And then last and definitely most exciting, we're going to go and look around a van that we've seen for sale in Queenstown. The person who's selling it has left it with their cousin because they've gone back to England. And the guy was supposed to be leaving the key somewhere hidden for us so we could go for a test drive, but he's forgotten to leave it and he's gone to work. Which would be quite annoying, but I just think it's really funny because I know how stressful and frantic my mornings are before I go to work. So if I had to remember something as random as that, I'd definitely forget as well, so that's pretty funny. But we're going to go and look around the outside of it in the daylight and then hopefully going to test drive it tonight. We're really excited about it. Hopefully it's the one just like when we were coming to look around this house, and look at us now. So yeah, should be an exciting day. We're just on our way out now. Super impressed with how quick the post office, like how efficient the women behind the counter are. They do a really good job. So yeah, so that was all sorted. Everything's on the way now. So we're just walking to the street where the van is parked so we can have a look around it. So yeah, we're almost there now. Should be in like 2 more minutes walking. So here it is, maybe our soon-to-be van. So this feels funny. It looks like we're trying to steal the van or something. We've just got our faces. Oh, there's Kay. Look, hi Kay. Gooey. Kay. Oh, she didn't see. We're like pressing our faces to the glass and looking through. I bet we look well dodgy. There it is in the background. What are we thinking then, Kay?
I really like it.
It's super good, eh?
It's got a bit of a weird paint job going on, but the inside of it's beautiful, and really that's all we're going to see, so I don't really care. I'm not really that materialistic, so... Like,
nothing a lick of paint can't solve.
No, exactly, and if, you know, if it runs well tonight when we get to come back and see it, then I'm more than happy to...
It might be the one.
Call that little beast my home. It's so exciting.
Watch this space.
Watch this space indeed.
There's views for days up here. Wow, we're so excited about the idea of this van, the whole concept. I think we're getting a little bit carried away right now.
You know when you just want something to be real and then you keep realising that it's not happening
anything.
yet. It's a bit bright.
But yeah.
We keep saying about how amazing it is and how excited we are, and then I'm like, we've not bought it yet.
Calm down. So we're just coming back through town and we're called in at the shop we've been in before, and it's awesome. It sells all sorts of crazy stuff.
So I might have just found a hat that I really like.
Oh well, she's rocking that.
It's my clothes.
Nice work. The better thing about that shop is that they do these. If you'll stop waving it around, missus.
I just swing my arm when I walk, it gives me momentum.
These reusable, it's like a silky, what did she say it was? Like a shower.
I have no idea what word you're trying to.
What did she call the bag?
Like, I don't know.
Sari?
Sorry, yeah.
Sari, like a reusable sari bag. Anyway, long story short, free bag, awesome bag.
Reusable bag.
Cool story, bro. We've come back a different way home today, and the view from here is incredible. Look at that. It's so funny because most days I don't actually get to see Queenstown in the daylight because I get to work in the dark and come home in the dark. So it's really funny seeing this view again for a change. It's like, whoa, it's amazing.
When we were walking down earlier, Dom was like, wow, look at the view, it's insane. And I was like, oh, that's really funny. Because I see the view like pretty much every day, because obviously like I just walk to work and stuff. And whereas like what Dom just said, when he walks to work it's dark, and so he doesn't see the actual view, which is really bizarre to even think about. But it was nice, it was humbling, and I was like, oh yeah, it's a beautiful view. You kind of get used to it when you like see it every single day.
Holy smokes, you actually live here.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
So we've just been at home for about an hour so far, and we've just had a chip sandwich, because you can take us out of England, but you can't take the England out of us. But we just looked over at the remarks and they look absolutely amazing, so I'm going to smash it with a time lapse. Sorry if you guys are getting bored of it, but I think it looks amazing, so here we go.
So I thought I'd talk to you here before I go outside, and it's really, really dark. So we're just going to go and take a little tour of the van now. Yeah, so it's going to be in the dark, but I think that's kind of cool because we'll be able to make sure all the lights and like electronic stuff works. So yeah, I'm really excited. Not sure how much we'll actually be able to film. It's always a bit weird, like if there's someone else there, so we'll see how it goes.
So this is my normal view of Queenstown and this road. This is what I see when I'm walking to the bus in the morning for work. Then obviously coming back the other way in the dark after work.
How do you feel?
Alright, I think.
Yeah.
Just make sure this is reverse, not forward.
Oh my god. So yeah, we're just going for a bit of a test drive. Let's see how this goes.
Oh mate, I can't see anything.
It's got windy down windows. This is so cute. I'm so glad it's not me driving. It's stressful. You're good?
First.
Me too. Shine my light on you.
Oh, there we go. Alright.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
This is so much fun. It's so big, I feel so far away from you.
Bye! Bye over there. I don't know what the speed limit is.
Oh god.
Can you just put the curtain behind you across, because I've got no...
It's always good to be able to see when you're driving, you know?
Yeah, it does help.
Oh, this is so much fun. The guy's super chill. He's just showing us like how to take the bed down and like all the other bits and bobs. He's just so laid back. So he's just let us out with his car, like he's not even here. So it's really entertaining.
Not even his car, that's the best part.
It's so high for my little legs. I can't get it. Oh my god. Always an entertaining thing trying to find the bonnet catch. I don't think that's it, that says diagnostics on it. So cute in here. I'll show you a better like another time. But yeah, it's really nice. It's got like cupboards. And I'm still not found the bonnet catch. No idea where it is. It's in here, let's have a look. Nice, so a 1-burner stove. We're just pretending that we know what we're doing, so this was a hazard light check. All good? No light check. all the way around the car. Bye, Dom. See you soon. And he's back.
Fun fact, when we first got back to England I was driving vans for a short while, so I like to pretend I know what I'm doing. Don't ask me about bonnet catches though.
For ages we were looking for the bonnet catch, and then at one point Dom just looked at me and was like, let's be honest though, like if we find the bonnet catch we'll open the bonnet and just be like, oh look, an engine. And it's so true, we've got no idea what we're doing, but we're just gonna trust the process, and if it's all horrible and it all goes horribly wrong, like we'll fix it, it'll be all good.
Also that massive clinking you can hear is 3 like coffee cups in the back here.
So yeah, we probably need to do some like Kay and Dom proofing of the van, but I'm really happy with it, so hopefully he'll let us buy it. So,
oh, plane.
Oh, no way. I don't think you can see it.
I don't think the camera will catch this, but...
So there's a plane, so Frankton Airport is like just over here, and it's sort of super low. So yeah, just in case you wanted to know.
The planes don't set off from the sky?
They don't set off from the sky. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna drive back because otherwise they might think we've actually stolen this vehicle. It had like 0 petrol in, so just put some petrol in so that we didn't like run out of fuel. So yeah, we'll update you when we know what's happening next.
What's up? What's the matter?
We're about to buy a van.
What do you mean? You stood in the middle of a street?
Yeah, exactly.
Why? What happened?
Well, the girl, because we're like negotiating through like the UK time zone. It's basically this girl, it's this girl's van, and she's left it with a cousin. She had to go back to the UK, and so we're like negotiating with the girl in the UK, but the guy from here is like showing us around. So now we've got to like make a deal with the girl so we can buy the van. So that's what we're doing right now.
Yep.
So after a very eventful 15 minutes, we finally managed to transfer the money, and we're going back to pick up the keys. So this is our beast. Whoops. Nice. So that's it guys, the van is ours. I can't believe it. That's been such a mission trying to sort out the payment with UK banks and stuff, but I already said that, but like, yeah, it's ours. We're all sorted, so we're gonna go and celebrate by getting a Domino's because it's like 9 o'clock at night and Dom's at work super early tomorrow morning, so yeah, but we're very happy that it's all sorted. It's so cool.
Too easy this driving life, isn't it?
So this is us documenting our first time going up Fern Hill, which is an absolute nightmare of a hill on any day, but they put loads of gravel down when it snowed, and so it's just got no traction at all. So let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh. Too easy.
Way too easy.
Too easy.
Oh,
that's fine.
Coasted too soon.
We've got pizzas, and I've got to now get out of this gigantic car with my really short legs, so this could be a real laugh. Oh my god. Where's the pedal? No. Yum! So that's been a very successful evening. We're both starving, we're both very tired, but we are accomplished. We've got a van, so yeah, we're very, very happy. So I think last time that we spoke to you, we'd just bought the van and we were so excited. So now that it's daylight, I figured that I would go and give you a kind of a little bit of a mini van tour. So yeah, it's very like raw at the minute. It's just literally as they've given it us. So we need to really K and dom it, but yeah, we'll go and do that now. So this is the van from the outside. It's very nice. It needs a new paint job, and the last people put these little kiwi things on, which is pretty cute. Oops. So this is the inside. I'll jump in here. Whoop. So as you can see, they've done a really good job of like all the flooring and stuff. It's really cool. It's kind of just like a DIY job, which I kind of appreciate because I feel like they've done the best that they could with what they had. Yeah, and then I'm not really very good at showing these stores, but we've got a camping stove here. We've got a big water thingy. Then in here we need to make this a bit more livable, but there's storage space for food. Then there's like all the pots and pans and stuff up in this one. Then under here there's some jump leads. There's a grey water and a normal water tank, and the sink actually works, so I'll show you. I feel like we're going to need to mod the sink as well because it doesn't drain very well, but you just do that and the water works, which is pretty cool. And then it just drains into this one here. We've got a fan. They've just left like all the DIY stuff behind. Yeah, and there's some like soap and stuff. And then this is the view of the van from this seat. So yeah, there's this table, and then this turns into a bed, and this will just probably have to go into the front. I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, it's really cool. I feel like I might change the curtains as well, but it's going to be super easy because they've got, I don't know if you can see, there's this like runner, so all I need to do really is just get some new fabric, something that's a bit like thicker so we don't wake up through the night. Yeah, and that should be super easy. There's also a table that they've left behind, which is awesome. Yeah, and I'll show you under here. So under here there's just like a bit of wood, and so if I'm strong enough to do it with one hand, you can lift this up, and that's where all the bedding goes. So yeah, there's storage space under this one and under this one. So not heaps of storage space, but hopefully like we've minimized ourselves enough that we'll be able to make this work. I just text Dom saying like I think that when we start doing this, we just need to empty the whole van like onto the floor, and have a look through what they've actually left, and then just try and get rid of stuff that we don't need, take it down to the charity shop and that, and then just make a list of what we want to change and things that we could improve. So yeah, I'd like to probably put some insulation into the walls or something. But I'm really happy. I feel like it's a really nice skeleton of a van for us to work with, and it was really affordable, so very, very happy bunnies indeed. I'll try and open the boot and let you have a look like from this view, because yeah, and then the driver's seat's just at the front. So we've got 3 seats there, so there's the driver's seat, passenger seat, and then a middle seat. Yeah, and it's very, very cute. They've left the most random things behind. So they've left like blankets, there's a cactus that's fake, and then these New Zealand things, and then there's 3 of these which like batter the windows as we drive, so we'll probably, you know, pass those along, but yeah. So yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. So this is it from this angle. So yeah, it's really cool. Got the little dream catcher there. But yeah, it's really spacious, really big. Love it. One of the main things you need is a self-contained sticker, so there's a portable toilet inside it, and I don't know if you can see, but the last people like did a paint job that was really bad, so yeah, we've got some DIYing to do, but it's gonna be good. So yeah, we'll probably leave this vlog here for now, and the next vlog might just be us going through the van and like sorting it all out and getting it ready. So a lot of you will be like, why have you bought a van when you live in this really nice apartment? And the reason is that when we leave here in November, something around that time anyway, we really wanted to do van life and like travel around the North and South Island, just going as steady as we want to, because the ultimate plan is that we'll do that for like 6 months, then come back here again next winter and work the season again. So yeah, we're really excited, and when we saw this van we were like, this is too good of an opportunity to miss. So yeah, we bought it now, we've got some time, we can just kind of do it really slowly, just renovate the van, make it like how we want it to be. Yeah, and just put some more value back into it, so when we sell it in a few years time we can actually get some money back for it, which would be awesome. So yeah, that's it from us. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this. Please give us a big old thumbs up if you did. It really helps to support our channel, and we are so, so thankful for how many of you there are now. We can't believe it. We are just growing steadily every single day, so your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.